goofy I look with this stuff on, dude. This GoPro. Everyone's like, oh my god, look at this guy.
I'll tell you when. Very good.
All right. Oh, she don't like it. Got the 5,500.
You have any other problems?
Besides the front mount intercooler that I got to make brackets for. Probably do that sometime this weekend. Get it actually mounted. Then I got to fill my diff back up. The boost gauge lights up. Let's not try to do the same thing that we did this weekend and blow the fuse.
Hey, at least we learned something. I didn't know the fucking independent fuses.
Yeah, I kind of forgot about it. I was just hoping that I didn't short out a. Oh, no, I don't need to go through there. Not yet. No, I needed to go through there.
Did you?
Yeah. The airport way.
Mexico?
Yeah, I'm going to Mexico. And then I gotta trim that metal piece right there. The bracket that.
Yeah, sticking out?
Yeah. It was supposed to face down, but it was too long. So I'm gonna fix that bracket and put some RTV behind it. Probably 2.5 months. I'm gonna go pick up that motor for about 800, and then I want the full motor so I can have spare parts lying around, but have that motor as a backup, or if I want to build it, which is probably going to be me building it. This is where everybody goes.
Alright, so what's that squeaking sound when you shut it off?
Oh, are you talking about this?
I didn't do it that time.
Yeah. I don't hear it this time.
You fixed it?
No, it's not fixed.
No.
I wish I could do a pull right now. I really do.
So this thing has overhead cam, right?
Yeah, I believe this is a dual overhead cam. I know the Coyote is.
You gotta get some cams for it?
Well, yeah. One, basically a fully built block, ported heads, and then ported not the what's it called? Like believe it's the intake. It's not like, you know, the manifold, that kind of stuff. It's a step below the manifold for this car at least.
Talking about the cylinder heads?
No, it's not cylinder heads. It's so stock. You got the manifold,
Yeah.
fuel rails, and you got one more piece that's below that you're able to remove. It's like a guide that guides the air through to where it needs to go into the heads. It's really weird. I thought it was really weird myself. You would have to look at it, but it's hard to see it with the blower on top. But Auto Mafia does the porting for like the heads and stuff like that. I'm not too sure actually about heads.
You remember about the dude that we met at the parking lot at my apartment?
Yeah, the one with the Pro Charger?
No, and the dude that came up to me.
The one with the Camaro?
Yeah, he has tools to port shit. He's telling me he ported his cylinder heads on his Camaro. He has all the tools.
I'd rather get them professionally done though.
Okay.
Because, you know, you got someone's word against, like someone's word that you don't really know too well versus, you know, Auto Mafia, which, I mean, they're pretty well known for their porting jobs as well. Actually just uploaded the new tune. We're gonna do the same thing like we did last time. We're gonna start as slow as we can in third gear as low as we can from third gear to about 6,000 RPMs. Hey, what's going on?
Okay. Alright. You want me to go ahead?
Yeah, go ahead.
Alright, I'm going.
Alright. I'll be starting shortly.
Alright.
Alright, so I use Supercharger. So basically, we're doing the same thing like we did last time. It should run a lot better. And after that, my tuner said that we should be good to do a wide open throttle. So let's hope everything's good. Third gear.
Oh, you did 6,000 RPM?
20% throttle, just about. Struggling to end his data log though. That was actually really smooth.
Was that a lot better than before?
Oh, 100% better. It shook less and everything.
Or anything like that, was it, like last time?
No, it shook a little bit, but just because the wind and everything. But that ran a lot smoother.
Did you stop the recording already?
No, I'm still recording.
No, for the tuner.
Oh yeah, I stopped the data log. Hey, we're going right.
Right? Alright, go ahead.
Alright.
Alright, I'll go.
Do I have anybody in front of me?
Okay,
Okay. Full throttle yet.
Yeah, don't do it yet. Wait till you send me the...
No, she's a lot smoother. Yeah, so we didn't get it finished with the tuning today. I didn't get the actual wide open throttle tune. And I forgot to film a intro and an outro today. So that's what this kind of is. But hopefully tomorrow we get that. Turn my lights on. Yeah, no, hopefully tomorrow we get that green light for the wide open throttle. That'll be interesting. It's literally all I'm waiting for. Because I haven't let this baby rip yet. She's ready to rip, I can tell you that. tell she's gonna be rowdy. Ooh, God. You know she wants to go. Now later though, I want to go with a belt block. I'm probably going to switch over to a turbo kit. Single turbo kit that AUTOMAFIA sells for this car as well. I'm sorry, I just can't get over the whine. Ooh, God, she wants to rip. God, that's nice. Now this outro just turned into me doing like 30-40% pulls. Hey, but why not? Nope. I thought. You know, but that'll be it for this video, guys. Appreciate it. Make sure you all like, subscribe, comment what you guys want to see, and I appreciate y'all's support. I'll talk to you guys later.